playing with the slime. I call this one Tinkerbell slime because it has a lot of glitter. Because it has a lot of glitter right here. And this one is Baby Mermaid. This one is called Tinkerbell slime. And I like it a lot.
Ooh, I like it.
We made it a while ago. And show her our baby blue slime. Our baby blue mermaid slime. Here, let's take it out of the bag. Show them. Here you go. Here. This is our... There's a bead in there, guys. This is our slime. Other slime. We have one more slime after this. Yeah. Let's show them our shine slime. Our Charlene ugly slime. To me. And here it is. It is perfect. I love it. I love all the slides. Hopefully we'll be like I said, remember in our last video, not the one we just uploaded, but the last one when we said we were going to start doing the mermaid slimes. Well, we done it! Yay! Comment down below, what's your favorite kind of slime? Fluffy slime, regular slime, or cloud slime, the new one. All right, let's get on with our cartwheel. Let's go. Put it down. Come on. Yay! Wow! Let's go. Almost there. Stop to the ant pile. Yay! I'm going to show you my back bend. Not really back bend, but I can like reach one arm over like this. And reach your arm over. And I can roll over. Oh, one other thing. That's called a bridge. One other thing is our, come on, let's show them. It's our leg up, leg down. And you shake it out like that. Put your leg up. Put your leg down. You do the shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And you shake it all about. All right, I want to do some like all right, guys. You do the loop, the loop. Our shoes are looking cool. She just learned how to do a tire shoe. Okay, come on. What do you want to do now? Our ballerina moves? Yeah. Okay. Get on your tiptoes. We're going to do it right here. That way we could do it better.